In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison between the new Creative XF1 and popular studio monitors like the Edifier MR4 and PreSonus Aris 3.5. Priced at $180, the XF1 is positioning itself as a high-fidelity powerhouse for compact setups. While traditional monitors often focus on a flat response, the XF1 stands out by offering a bi-amplified active design that delivers 72 watts of total RMS power. This system splits the workload efficiently, using 26 watts for the 3-inch woofers and 10 watts for the Silk Dome tweeters on each side. A major contrast here is the wireless capability. Unlike many entry-level monitors, the XF1 features Bluetooth 6.0 with LDAC support, alongside USB-C digital audio for high-resolution playback up to 24-bit 96 kHz. It also includes detachable cork stands that tilt the drivers 15 degrees, ensuring the audio is angled perfectly toward your ears. For those who need more low-end, there is even a dedicated subwoofer output with automatic mode switching, a feature often missing on basic 2.0 competitors. With a Creative Nexus app providing a 10-band parametric EQ, these speakers offer a level of customization that beats out standard plug-and-play options. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the versatility of the XF1 or the simplicity of traditional studio monitors. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more audio tech reviews and comparisons.